Hello everyone, welcome to another video brought to you by the Nice Electrical Services. Today we will be having a review slash in action video, right? In this video we will be reviewing or have in action the Stark by XtremepowerUS jack hammer. So this is it. So this is the jack hammer by Stark. It's sold by XtremepowerUS on Amazon, and it is 3000 RPM and also 1000 watt, 120 voltages. So I've had this jack hammer for over 3 years now, and it is a really good jack hammer. I recommend it because I've had it for over 3 years and I've never had any issue with it. This one, it uses grease, so you can pull here and put the grease inside. That is what will lubricate the shaft. So today the best thing is to always put the tools to action, right? So we're going to put this to action. We have a piece of rock here, so we are going to demolish this piece of rock as well as this piece of concrete slab, because those are the two main things we will use a jackhammer for, rock and concrete slab. So let's just get right into it, guys. First I'm going to start with the rock.
Jet planes in the night sky with you, getting high in the sunrise with you, getting through bad times with you. Oh, I miss anything and I wish that I could do time machine.
So therefore you can see that it does a very good job in demolishing this piece of rock. Very well. So let me try it on this piece of concrete slab now.
I miss you all the time. I wish that you were mine. I miss you all the time. I wish that you were mine.
So here you have it, guys. You can be the judge of this jackhammer, the Stark jackhammer by XtremepowerUS. Yeah, so as you can see, it did a very good job in demolishing this piece of rock and that piece of concrete slab. So here you have it, guys. That was another video brought to you by the Nice Electrical Services. So thank you for watching this video, guys, and for more videos like these, electrical related videos, please feel free to subscribe to my channel, the Nice Electrical Services.